So today I will be doing an unboxing on a laptop cooling pad. It's a portable, ultra slim, quiet laptop notebook cooling pad with two USB ports on it, and it's supposed to be a quiet, kind of quiet, and it fits up to between 12 to 16-inch laptops. Well, I can figure out what I did with the box cutter. I just had it. Hold on just a second. Okay, so let's get to it. It's over here. Yeah, way. So apparently, it's from a company called TeckNet. I hope I pronounced that right, TeckNet. And like I said, this is for. Look at that. Huh. Okay. Also, as a gift. Also, I got this this a Ouija board. I guess we'll be doing two unboxings. So check that out later. All right, but anyways, let's get to it. So I got my uh gaming laptop supposed to be coming in tomorrow. So I thought it'd be a good idea to get a cooling pad, cool, laptop cooling pad to help with the cooling. Although, from my understanding, is that it has a lot of vents on it, but with this one, should be able to provide extra cooling for it. Now, all right. Okay, so we got our USB charging cable. Well, it's not a charging cable, but it's a connected cable. And just telling what all came in the package content. And that's about it. Obviously, they left their label to register in there. Yeah, see that. But okay. So, just a second. Okay, so all right, so what I noticed, as you can see, this kind of hard plastic, but it still feel kind of flexy, but it's good though. Um, so we have I believe these 120mm fans. I believe I'm gonna have to double check that. Okay, so like I said, it's 15.6. See, you have your extra vents down here at the bottom. Let's see what a USB. Okay, here's the USB ports. Now, yeah, obviously, okay, this is gonna be where you turn it on at, off and on. The USB ports. This USB cable, whenever you connect it, you connect this to the laptop, and it's gonna power up the cooling pad. Hold on, let me see if I got my portable adapter. Okay, so I got my portable adapter with me. This is only gonna be the unboxing of the fan for right now. I'm gonna do another video with the Ouija board next. I have some stuff I gotta do. All right. Get this thing connected. All right. So what you're gonna do? I don't think it really matters which one of these ports you hook it up to, but you plug in. Well, see, I got it hooked up to my portable charger, but you know, you hooking it into your laptop instead of putting it into the portable charger. And okay, light is on, fans are moving. And like I said, this is supposed to provide some pretty good cooling. I thought this was the one with the that had the LED lights on it, but I guess not. I guess I might have been looking at a different one. But like I said, it feels pretty sturdy. It's got good fairly amount of air coming out of it. Like I said, hopefully it will do the trick. Now I was looking at these. Oh crap! Got my portable charger. Okay. I was looking at these on the back, and they don't do anything. They're just there for some reason. I have no idea why they put these back there. Uh, I guess maybe if you wanna add something extra to it, you can pop these off. Well, I guess you would have to cut them out or something like that. But I don't know why they put them on there. But it's very lightweight. It's probably less than a pound. So anyway, this was my unboxing on it. Once I get my laptop in tomorrow, I will do open box on that, and then I'll probably do a review on both of them together. But like I said, stay tuned for the next unboxing, which will be the Ouija board, which I will do later on today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave something down in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.